Good afternoon. I'm Tim Baruti, City Manager, City of Fredericksburg. We are here today to again update on matters related to COVID-19. I'm happy to have Councilman Graham with us. He'll offer a quick message. And of course, we'll again look to Chief Jones for an update on matters related to COVID-19. I do encourage folks to stay vigilant and heed the governor's warnings, the president's warnings. Stay home. And please continue to check on your neighbors. Step outside and say hello at 6 p.m. tonight. That's a campaign we started several weeks ago. We do still encourage folks to take the extra moment or two to check on their neighbors, especially the elderly and disabled in our community. So we all can do our part by checking on our neighbors. With that, again, I want to thank Councilman Graham for offering some comments, and then we'll hear from Chief Jones. Thank you.
Hi, I'm City Councilman Jason Graham. I'm here at home practicing social distancing, but I'm still here for whatever it is you need. So please pick up the phone, shoot me an email, and that goes for the rest of our city government as well. I promise we will do whatever we can to help. We're all in this together, and we all have a role to play. For some of us, that means staying home as much as possible to stop the spread, flatten the curve, and even though you're staying home, there's still a lot that you can do. To the extent possible, order takeout or delivery or buy a gift card from a local business. We can all do something to make sure that the Fredericksburg we had before the virus is going to look as similar as possible to the Fredericksburg that we have after the virus. And I also want to say thank you to everybody who's out there on the front lines every day. Whether you're a medical professional, or you're working at a grocery store, or in delivery services, or you work to keep our city safe or clean. I want to say thank you. We owe you a huge debt of gratitude. Stay safe out there, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg. Let's give you some of the latest statistics related to the COVID-19 crisis. We'll basically talk about the local area or the Rappahannock Area Health District. Our number of cases have increased by 8 since yesterday. We're now up to over 100. We're at 115. 10 of those positive cases are within the city of Fredericksburg. Still only one of those is hospitalized, and we still only are reporting 2 deaths in the actual district. But as you can see, as the amount of testing increases, we're also starting to see the other numbers increase. In Virginia, we have over 33,000 people tested. We're now over 4,000 cases, and unfortunately, we've suffered quite a bit more death. We're now up to 115 deaths in the Commonwealth, compared to what we were around 75 or 80 yesterday. As these statistics indicate, the COVID-19 cases in our area continue to increase. Unfortunately, the number of positive cases in our community is believed to be underestimated to the total number of COVID cases. We know that some individuals out there are asymptomatic, or what we mean is without showing symptoms. And much of the disease presented is as mild or to moderate flu-like symptoms, and they're not severe enough to go to the emergency department or be in the hospital. Therefore, these individuals that are having those mild conditions are less likely to be tested and included in the Virginia Department of Health statistics. Knowing this and knowing Virginia has been identified as a state with widespread community transmission, we continue to encourage all citizens to take all the precautions to prevent the spread of the disease. Please help us keep our community safe by staying home as much as possible, wearing cloth face masks when in the public, staying 6 feet from other people, and washing hands and contact surfaces frequently. For all essential workers, this means practicing good hygiene, social distancing, and staying home if you're sick. By continuing to follow these practices, we can ensure we are keeping our families and our communities safe and healthy. Remember, keep up those personal hygiene and social distancing habits. They make a difference. Thank you.